Today, I'm at the home of two of my closest friends here in Perth, and they will show us a very special salad.
Hello! Welcome!
Thank you, thank you. So I'm so excited for today. Let me call on Em and Sonny! Hi Sonny and Em! Thank you so much for this opportunity and allowing me to be here. How long have you been a Saladmaster owner? Since when? 5 years. Wow. Anyway, what are we going to show them today?
So today I'm going to attempt to make rock lobster salad.
Rock lobster salad. And I'm just gonna give a little bit of story why I requested them to make this. Because 2 occasions already, no? 2 Christmases?
2 Christmas.
2 consecutive Christmas, we've been coming here and you've been preparing this dish and everyone loved it and it's all finished and gone very quickly. So I requested them to make this video so everyone will know how to make it, and please try it because it's really very yummy. What are the ingredients?
Rock lobster,
Okay.
steamed,
Lemon juice.
juice.
Using code number 1 of the Saladmaster machine.
So it has a pop in it.
Yeah.
The avocado. This is Japanese mayo,
Japanese. About 2 tablespoons.
about 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Celery
Using code number 4 of the Saladmaster machine.
and chives, lime, cost lettuce,
Of course, we're using the oval baking dish. What else?
salt, taste,
Pear.
and yeah, pear.
Using...
This is not actually part of the original recipe. I
Okay.
just added this to make it taste sweeter.
Okay.
Because in general, this is a savory salad.
Okay. So this is using code number 2 of the Saladmaster machine. Okay.
So we have the salad bowl and
Okay, 2 tablespoons mayo. Oh, we forgot. Did we mention this one?
this is pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
About 2 tablespoons.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's experimental actually because I just wanted to add some crunch.
Okay.
Last time, he don't have this nuts.
But the first Christmas, I think we had croutons.
Ah.
The next Christmas, we don't have any crunch in it.
So it's
Okay.
another version.
Wow, this is another version.
Yeah. And then the juice.
Where did you get the recipe?
From online. The
Online.
original recipe was from WA Rock Lobster website.
Wow.
Because I bought my lobster from them.
Okay.
It's actually, no, not a website. They gave me a pamphlet.
Ah.
How to cook lobster. Then add celery.
This is about 2 stalks of celery, right?
Yeah.
Yummy.
And then
The chives.
Chives.
mix them together. And then add the lobster.
Yeah. 2 pieces. Freshly caught in Western Australia.
That's probably 450 grams to half a kilo of lobster.
Each.
Each, yeah.
Okay.
We're just gonna lay this in a bed of cost lettuce. There we go.
Avocado.
Pear, shredded pear.
Yeah.
I think on the first Christmas I used green apple.
Green apple.
To have something sweet and juicy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very creative.
Garnish with chive.
Chives,
Lime juice.
lime juice, and finally pine nuts.
Wow. That's very nice.
This is just to add crunch into the salad.
Thank you. There you go. Lobster salad from the De Villiers.
Alright, and now the taste.
Yes, the best part. Thank you so much. That's it. How about it?